Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find your user ID for your Facebook profile. Let's get started. To find your user ID on Facebook, start by logging into Facebook using a web browser. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile to open it. Then, look at the URL at the top of the browser window. Copy the entire URL to proceed. Then open a new tab and search for lookup-id.com. I'll also put a link in the description below. Paste the URL you copied from your Facebook profile to the provided field on the website. Then click on Lookup. Here's your user ID code. Double check to ensure it's correct. Copy this code and go to facebook.com, making sure you're still logged in. Once on Facebook, paste the user ID into the URL after facebook.com/, then press Enter. If it takes you directly to your profile, you've successfully found your user ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.